Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today in this tutorial, we will explain how to calculate Z-score or standard score in Excel and what is Z-score. So let's start. Before that, I am just asking kindly watch the complete video, then only you can understood. So let's start. What is Z-score? Z-score is called as standard score. It is distance from mean or average from a series of data, and it is measured unit is standard deviation. So this formula is x minus mean divided by standard deviation. So for this calculation we are going to explain by using a set of data. So let's start. Here we have taken 5 to 6 data. First we will type a cell serial number. Next cell we will type the values. So here we can take around 6 values. So I am just putting the 6 serial numbers, and right hand side just I am putting the values. First value is 15, 16, 20, 19, 14 and 10. So we are having these values. Just I am making a single decimal to better understand. So now we need to calculate Z-score of the each values. For that first we need mean or average. So here we will put mean. First we will calculate of these 6 values mean value. So formula will apply average and select the data. Then we will get a value of mean. Our mean value is 15.67. We will highlight this for better understand. Then next we need data value minus mean. So here we will put x minus mean. Then we will calculate here value minus mean value. Just I am selecting this mean series and absoluting the cell by separating with dollar symbol. So this is our x minus mean. So data minus mean. Just drag it and apply the formula for each values. And we are reducing this decimal place for better understanding. Now we got mean and x minus mean. So next we need to calculate standard deviation. So standard deviation having two types, we can manually calculate and using Excel formula. So standard deviation formula is TDEV, standard deviation, and select those cells or values and close the bracket and we will get a value standard deviation. Just I am highlighting this. This is our standard deviation. Now we need to calculate Z-score of each value. Here we can type Z-score. If you want to know how to calculate the standard step-by-step formula using Excel, and I have already video, I have explained clearly. If you want, I will put this video in description. Then you can calculate this by using this formula. This is the formula of standard deviation. I have already explained. Kindly watch our description video, then you can understood. Let's continue our process. Z-score formula is equal to x minus mean divided by standard deviation. So we will apply here x minus mu we got divided by mean value is equal to 3.61. Just I am freezing the cell by separating with dollar symbol. So this minus 0.1843 is equal to our z score of first value. Just drag and drop, we'll get z score value for each data. So this is our z score. I think you are understood how to calculate z score by using Excel, and for one simple formula is there, alternative formula. Without calculating the x minus mu, we can calculate. Just I will explain in this cell. Here z score, type the formula standardized, and first it is asking x, select the values, directly values. Then next it is asking mean, give a comma and select the mean cell and freeze the value by starting with dollar. How I am putting, you have to be follow like this same. Then give comma. Next this value asking standard deviation. We have to select the standard deviation cell and freeze the value with dollar symbol. Exactly we have to follow the same, then only this value will calculated. We can close the bracket and enter. See the same result we got. That is the manual process, this is automatic process by using the Excel. So we can reduce the decimal place, and if required we can drop for all values. Now you can see both z square values are same. This is calculated by using manual formula, this is calculated by using complete Excel formula. So I think this video is helpful for you. Then please like our video and subscribe to our channel to get like this more videos. To watch how to calculate RST in Excel and completely step by step process, kindly watch the video what I given in description. Thank you.